So if you've got yourself a Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G running on Xiaomi HyperOS and you want to insert physical SIM cards or dual SIM but can't figure out how to put it in there, it's actually quite easy. Now first things first, for safety reasons, you can just go ahead and turn off your device. And next, just go ahead and grab the SIM ejector tool. Now look at the SIM tray, it's at the bottom of your device, just be careful, the microphone is usually right next to it. Insert the tool into the small hole and gently push it until the SIM tray pops out. Now once you remove the tray, you will notice it's labeled SIM 1 and SIM 2. Now, which means the device supports dual SIM. Unfortunately, there's no slot for a memory card on this model, but that's another story. Now place your SIM card face or logo down. Just make sure the angled edge is lined up with the cutout of your SIM tray. When it does, just press it gently so it fits properly. If you're using a dual SIM card, just insert the second one exactly the same way. Now once the SIM cards are in place, slide the tray back into the phone carefully and then push it until it clicks into the place. And that's it, your SIM card is installed and ready to go. Turn on your phone back if you turn it off. And after that, you can just go ahead, open up settings, from there the mobile networks. And then you can customize the SIM functions according to your own preference. And that's it for today. See you next time.